So, give you a rundown, a backstory on this. This is a 1988 Yanmar 336D tractor. It hasn't run in 6 years. We're sitting on Grandpa's farm, who the grandson just recently inherited, and he's cleaning the farm up. So this is one of the pieces of equipment he's not planning on using, so I was the one to purchase it. Let's see. It is exactly how you see it as how I see it for the first time, right? Hasn't moved in 6 years, along with the Allison behind it. Let's go ahead, jump in, take a look at what this machine's really looking like. Been sitting for 6 years, just how it is. So let's see if we can get it running. Let me jump in, take a look at the oil, fuel, air filters. Let's see how that is. What do you want to do? Let's jump into it. All right, check the dipstick. I don't know if you can see this steering linkage is in the way. That's an old rusty Napa filter. Oil, it's got oil in it, that's good. Quite a bit, right in between. It's dark. Cool. Looks good. That'll need to be changed. So my main goal is to get it running tonight, to load it up on the trailer so I don't have to use the winch. Let's take a look at the fuel tank. It's got fuel in it. Looks good. Smells like diesel. It's got 1,500 hours on it. Oh, let's see, any critters gonna pop out. You like mice? I don't. Dusty. Wowzer. Get that stabbed back in. I guess what's next? We can get the tires filled up. Try that, see if they hold air. Need the key. This one have a key? I don't know. This tires put on backwards. Valve stem's on the other side. Where is she at? Oh boy. Oh, a metal one. Metal valve cap. Don't find those too often. All right. This tire's filling up. That's good. Big tire, it'll take a little bit. Well, that's going. Let's take a look at the fuel. Last night I was able to get the fuel filter off and take a look at it. Clean the bowl out, and I've got a new fuel filter I brought from my John Deere. It's the same housing, same filter. So fuel looks good coming out of the tank. Don't want to put too much air in that tire. It's a little rough on the edges. can you see me? Let's get this one in. Alright, what's wrong with that one? Alright, that's enough tire filling. These tires hold air. Let's get on to some fun stuff. So there's fuel filters. New and old, that one's a little dirty. Wouldn't you say? Got some crusty stuck on it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one in before we get any cranking done. Take a look at it. Come on, I'm not gonna forget you. All right. There we are. Seated in the hole. All right. So on the arrow, petcock arrow, it's got a C and a D. What do you think that stands for? C and a D. No clue. Doing anything? It's got plenty of fuel in the tank. Give it some air and it fills the bowl. All right, bowl's full of diesel. Let's go ahead and take that hood off and see about a battery and keys. Let's do that. Okay, so as you can tell, I got the hood off, it's sitting right here behind me. That gave me access to the engine and battery, which is right here up front behind the grill. Got that changed out. So new batteries in it, along with the wasp nest that is sitting over there. I do not like those wasps, yellow jackets. So let's see, I know this line right here, it looks like a burp valve just off your thermostat that's been chewed up by mice. I got a hose, I'll put that on. Got the battery in it. I have not tried to crank it yet. Keys on. Let's put it in neutral and see what happens. Got me? All right, keys on. Let's see. Lights. Neutral. Neutral there. Clutch in. Hey, that's not bad. Not bad, check that out. Let me get down here. It's got coolant in it. Had to shut it down pretty quick. Started blowing a bunch of coolant out of that overflow pipe, the burp valve. So let me go ahead and get a hose stuck on there so that doesn't happen. All right, I'll be right back. No 1/2-inch hose. We're doing all right. We're doing all right. Well, I'm thinking I can do something fancy. Take some of this here electrical tape, wrap it around the bolt, and drive it right on in that hole. Woo! Think it'll leak? Probably. So I managed to leak out about all the coolant out of it, which is just great. You know, it's not going to grow anything down there for the next 4 years or so. All right, fuel, check. Oil was good, check. Air filters, check. Coolant, it's holding coolant now. Let's go ahead and run it and see if we can build any hydraulic pressure. Get it to idle, run. Let's do that again. Check that out. Oh boy. Key on. Let's put the throttle up, 3/4. Give it a go. Nothing, coolant circulating in the radiator real nicely. Let's turn that down a little bit. Wow, it sounds real good. All right, I need to finish filling up tires, and let's see if we can go on a little drive. Well, so that's it. Left the guy's house. Sorry I didn't get any footage of it. Actually driving, putting it up on the trailer. It's starting to get late. I have work tomorrow. It's Monday today. This is Monday evening. We did have a problem with that right rear drive wheel sticking. Just a lot of forward and backward movements of it eventually got it to break free. I got the differential lock to actuate, and that's really what drove it loose, to get it drive power to that wheel and get it running. But man, what a gorgeous night. We're out here in Kansas, middle of Kansas, closer to Kansas City, south of Kansas City and Joplin. Man, it's wonderful out here. So probably an hour drive home. I'm gonna take it nice and slow. It's all hooked up. Trailer's doing well. All right, next stop is home.